Hey Vedic Mathematics family, Guneet is here and welcome back to another multiplication video on my channel. And if you're new around here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join us for a complete detailed course on Vedic Maths. So now today's video is about special multiplication method 3. So here method 3 means that the number of digits of first number is more than the number of nines. So now let's understand by taking examples. So now this method is little complicated, so please understand it very carefully. Now first of all, what do we do? Here, as we can see, the number of digits for first number is greater than the number of nines. So what do we do? First we write the number as it is, that is 598. Now the number of nines here are 2. So we'll leave 2 digits from the right hand side and make a partition. Now here in the first partition we add 1 and that comes to 6. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Now we'll subtract 6 from this partition. So here we get 92. Now we'll start writing the answer as well. So here we'll write the answer also. So first we'll write first digit as it is, that is 5. Now make a partition. In the second partition we'll write this part, that is 92. And in the third partition we will take the complement of 98. So complement of 98, how will we take it? 100 minus 98. That gives you 02. Why 100? Because the number of digits are near to 100. So the final answer is 59202. Now let's take another example to understand this method in a better way. Now 360 multiplied by 99. So here write 360 as it is. Now number of digits in nines are 2. So leave 2 digits from the right and put a separator line. Now here add 1 in the first partition. So we get 3 plus 1 is 4. Now minus 4 from 60. So we get 56. So and the complement of 60. So what will be the complement of 60? 100 minus 60, which we give 40. So now the final answer will be first digit as it is. Now make a partition, then 56 and then 40. So 35640 is the answer. Now let's take the number where we have 3 nines. So here the number is 1145. Now here there are 3 nines. So we leave 3 digits from the right hand side. So 1, 2 and 3. Leave 3 digits, put a partition. Now add 1 to it and here we get 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 and minus 2 over here. So we get 143 and take the complement of 145. So now 145, how will we take the complement? We will minus 145 from 1000. So 1000 minus 145. Why we'll minus 1000? Because 999 is closer to 1000. So now here 1000 minus 145 gives you 855. So the final answer is 1,143,855. Now let's take more examples. So it's a 4-digit number multiplied by 3 nines. So here also write the number as it is. And here the nines are 3. So leave 3 digits from the right hand side and make a partition. Now add 1 in the first partition and we get 8. So minus 8 gives you 001. Now the complement of 009. So it will be subtracted from 1000. So 1000 minus 009 gives you 991. So now we've got all the elements of the answer. So just write the answer. So 7 in then 001 and then 991. So the final answer is 7001991. Now let's understand this method better by taking more examples. So here as we can see that the number is 5-digit and the nines are 4. So write the number as it is. It will be 24301. Now the nines are 4. So leave 4 digits from the right and put a partition. Now here add 1 to 2, which we get 3. So minus 3 here. So we get 4298. And we will take the complement of 4301. And here we'll subtract 4301 from 10,000. Because we have 999 is nearer to 10,000. So 10,000 minus 4301, for which we get 9 5695. So the complement of 4301 is 5699. So the final answer is 2, 4298, 5699. Now let's take another example, which is 325423 multiplied by 4 nines. So write the number as it is. So 325423. Now 4 nines are here. So leave 4 digits from the right and put a partition. Now add 1 to the first partition, which we get 33, and now minus 33 from here. So here we get 5390. Now we'll take the complement of 5423. So 10,000 minus 5423 will give you 7754. So now let's write the answer. So first digit as it is 32, then this part, that is 5390, and then the complement, so 4577. So this is the final answer. This method is also very easy. It's just that you have to be a little careful while doing this method. I hope you've understood this method well, and please motivate us in making more such learning content by liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. And please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.